Today, let's talk about legacy estates. Most of you that is following me on social media know that I'm high on this estate because the development is fast. You can see work is going on all around me, even right here. You can see people are already living here, and there is lights. You can see the high tension wire. So there is lights, and people are living here. Let me turn the camera so you can see it very well. So this is it, right? So why I'm bullish on this estate is because of the fast developing rates that it has, and almost all the estates is starred already. So if you're building here, you know you're building to live. You know, after building your house, you're gonna move in, and you have access roads, you have lights, you have water, right? All the amenities that needs to be in an estate, you have it. So we still have plots of land around here. This is the gate. Plot of land here. It's about 40. The least you can get is 35 million, just around here. You can get for 25 million inside, right? So if you know you are looking to buy a land that you want to live in, you know, this December is around the corner. You'll be coming down to Nigeria to use your hand and pick the plots that you're buying. For those people who are in this category, you are the people I'm talking to. You are coming down this Christmas to choose a plot. Right here, we have a plot that you can choose right now, and you can start building it immediately. Okay, so if that's what interests you, you can call me. And also, if you're looking for something else, like you want to, ask me questions as a real estate investment coach, you can be able to reach me with the number on the description. So let's see on the other side. Okay, this is all I have to say now. It's been an amazing journey marketing these properties, and I would say each and every person that I sold this legacy estate to, we are very happy they made the right decision. Yes, they are very happy, and you too will be also happy after you have bought in this estate. Okay, see you on the other side. Bye bye.